So here we have 2 seed trays which I've filled with seed compost. I've given them a misting of water so that the compost itself is wet, and now we'll pop in some seeds. For overwinter I've got some lettuce and I've got some beans to pop in as well. The lettuce that I'm going to put in it's a variety called canasta, and the beans I'm popping in are runner beans, and they're a variety called Blue Lake. So we'll see how they do. So these are our lettuce called canasta. Now lettuce seeds. As you can see, are fairly small, not easy to individually plant, so we'll just expect that we'll be dropping more than one seed into each pot, into each cell. I'm also getting bitten by black fly. We're not too worried at this stage about the individual seeds. We can thin them out later, so we'll just drop them in. If more than one goes in, it doesn't really matter. Couple more. Do it so that you can see on camera rather than have my arm in the way. So that's them, and we just cover them over. They don't need to be deep actually. You can, with these seeds, just sprinkle them on the top and then give them a light covering of seed compost over the top. Mr. Bumblebee's feeling not happy about being in the polytunnel. Don't know if you can hear him. Right, so that's our lettuce done. Now we've got our runner beans. Now I'll show you here. Compare the seed size there with the lettuce seeds that we just planted. So these are easier to put into individual cells, one at a time. I'll just pop this down somewhere dry. Here we are. Just pop them in. Each one gets its own private little cell. few more to pop in. We've got a bumblebee flying around in the polytunnel at the moment. He's getting a bit stuck and a bit frustrated. He wants to get out. There we are. So you can see here you've got a little seed in each cell. They don't need much cover. I'll just push those in. There we go. They're all in and covered. So that's our beans. And that's our tray with the lettuce in.